So this is the basic structure for the rule-based expert system. We have a user, the user of the system. It has a user interface. It has explanation facilities. Let's say, for example, the expert system asks the user for the temperature. So the user can ask the expert system why do they need temperature and so on. So we have inference engine, which interact with the database to get the fact and the knowledge base to get the rules. Here it says, how do we know when to choose forward or backward chaining? So as we learned before, that when we use backward chaining, if we know the goal, but if we don't know the goal, we use what? Forward chaining. So in this case, it says that if the experts first need to gather some information, then get to the goal, they need to use forward chaining. If they have, for example, a hypothetical solution, and they want to find some facts to prove it, they can use backward chaining. So we have here two parts. You have agenda and the working memory. What's the difference between them? It's basically just like we learned before as well. The working memory is the facts, and the agenda is like the rules, the control strategy. Like which rule will match, will be adding the result of it to the working memory. So this is the facts. We have A, B, C, for example, and these are the rules. So if we go to the working memory, we will have the facts A, B, and C, as we can see here. These are the main working memory, like as we first initialize it. Then we have some agenda here. It says that if A and B, then G. So does A exist in the working memory with B? Of course. So this will be added to the working memory later, G. Same with this, it will be added. So here we have expert system tools. We have programming languages, knowledge engineering languages, system building aids, and support facilities. We have a programming languages, like just a programming. For example, either a program oriented like Java general, yani C++, or symbolic manipulation like Prolog, libs, what we use in the lab. Knowledge engine language is most of them are based on rule-based system, like skeletal, like for example, if we already have an expert system and we take the knowledge from the expert system itself. We have general purpose, like just build as tool to make an expert system, like Eclipse, for example. And here we have, for example, Myson. And we have system building aids, knowledge acquisition, and design. We have support facilities. We have programming, supporting programming اللي هو we have editing, logs, syntax, and all of that, and explanation like how this work and why.